Okay, this question asks for which ordered pair is the solution of the linear system x plus 2y equals negative 8 and negative 4x plus y equals 5. There's a lot of ways to go about this. The first one is, since we're looking for a solution, that's a value that makes the equation true. So we're looking to see which set, x, y, will make the equation true. Not only does it have to make one equation true, but it has to make both equations true. So these have to be, whichever one is the answer, has to work in both equations. So you could plug all of these in and figure out which one works in both. That is one option. The option that I'm going to use is to solve them another way, and I think I'm going to use linear combinations, or what we called elimination. So I have two equations. I have x plus 2y is equal to negative 8, and negative 4x plus y is equal to 5. Well, if I want to solve this by elimination, I want to set this up so if I added in columns, one of my variables would get eliminated. If I added them right now, I would get negative 3x, positive 3y, and negative 3. But I would still have an x and a y left. I don't want that. I want one of them to be eliminated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottom one and multiply everything by negative 2. Why did I do that? Well, I want these to be eliminated, and I just picked y because I wanted to. It doesn't matter. You could have picked to eliminate x and multiplied the top row by 4. But I wanted to multiply the bottom one by negative 2. So I'm going to take everything in this bottom row and multiply it by negative 2. So I would get 8x plus negative 2y is equal to negative 10. And this top one, if I leave it exactly the same, pen is not working very well. If I leave it exactly the same, I will have, my y's will be opposite. I'll have positive 2y and negative 2y. And when I add them up, I'll have 0y, which is what I want. I want to get rid of y. So I'm going to leave this one the same. X plus 2y equals negative 8. So we add these up, and I get 9x is equal, or plus 0y, or just 0, is equal to negative 18. Solve for x, divide both sides by 9. I get x equals negative 2. Well, if I go back to my answer list, the only value that I have that says x equals negative 2 is b. So I'm just going to check and make sure that negative 2, negative 3 is going to work in both, but I think that b is going to be my answer. If I had negative 2 plus 2 times negative 3, that would be negative 6. So negative 2 plus negative 6, yes, that would be negative 8. That's true. What about negative 2 here? Negative 4 times negative 2 would be 8. 8 plus negative 3 would in fact be 5. So this would work in both equations, and B is my solution.